Hey guys, I hope you guys are all doing well. I just wanted to pop on really quick and excuse me if I look kind of shiny or greasy. It's not greasy, it's just this hydrating, ultra hydrating mask that I put on. It has vegetable glycerin as well as turmeric oil. So I'm just like hydrating my face, and I wanted to pop on and let you guys know that next week's essential oil DIY workshop is going to be live. So it's going to be a lot of fun. Koya Webb is going to broadcast it live on her Instagram, and we're making something super delicious. So it's gonna be these Cocoa Bliss brownie protein balls. I'll leave all of the information below so you can see exactly what it is, but it's chocolate, it's brownie, it's protein, and it's healthy, and it's vegan. So those are the main things that I wanted you to know about that delicious recipe. I hope you guys can make it. Definitely register so you get the link so you can attend the Zoom call, and Chloe's going to be going live, so it's going to be so much fun. I'll also leave how I do this vegetable glycerin turmeric mask, how I do this. I'll leave that in the description box below in case you want to try it. It's really great for the skin. It's super healthy, and there's really like no chemicals or anything added into it that could harm your skin, but your skin just soaks it all in. It's anti-inflammatory, so if you have any breakouts or you're experiencing any redness or sensitivity, this will help that calm down while hydrating your skin as well. So, yeah, hope you guys are having a great day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.